My name is Wallace Lowe, President of the University of Maryland. Here in College Park, we transform the student experience with cutting-edge research, a variety of unique living learning environments, engaging with the community in Maryland and the nation's capital. Our students can take advantage of countless opportunities within minutes from campus. For example, our journalism students use drones to investigate an unoccupied Russian diplomatic compound on Maryland's eastern shore. Their exclusive footage for our students' Capital News Service provided a new angle to an important news story. During our Next Now Arts Festival, Maryland and Bowie State students created a mural to reflect on peace, justice, and unity. It is now hanging in the Maryland House office building in Annapolis. This year, one of our amazing graduate students, Samuel Ramsey, won an international competition for presenting in just 3 minutes his thesis on a parasite attacking the global bee population. Congratulations, Samuel. It is always exciting to see Terps travel all over the country and the world during our breaks, teaching English in Haiti, helping turtles in North Carolina, improving nutrition and wellness. Terps do good. Our community gives back. Earlier this month, some 8,000 alumni, faculty, students, and staff raised funds that will help transform the student experience. Thanks to all of you for your support. We are proud of our students' accomplishments, and we are grateful to all who make their success possible. Go Terps!